Hi, my name is Sophie, and today I will be showing you 5 ways to cure writer's block. Writer's block can be hard to deal with, but do not give up. Everyone has these times, so it's incredibly important to reflect. The 5 tips I have for you today are just write, consume others' work, forget the rules, realign with yourself, and give yourself time. Let's dive in. The first tip I want to share with you is to just write. Some or most ideas will end up in the garbage, but you're getting your brain working in that capacity again. Freeform writing is a type of writing that helps to clear the unconscious thoughts. As you write whatever comes to mind, an idea might pop out to you and give you inspiration. Even when you feel like what you've written is not up to standard, save them so you may go back for inspiration. My next suggestion is to consume others' work that you are driven to be like. While this may be seen as competition, you could find inspiration within what someone else has done. Listening and reading new things keeps you up to date and may turn into a more enjoyable experience, giving more ideas to write. Number 3 is to forget the rules that you, an instructor, or a boss has set out for yourself when writing. Without the bounds of these rules, you may find yourself writing more and more about genuine topics. Make sure to take proper breaks and have some sort of structure to your brainstorming. Set a timer for 20 minutes or so while free writing, and use the same space often, as this helps teach our brain where to be the most effective. My 4th tip is to realign with yourself and your values. What do you care most about? What is a problem you're facing? What makes you get up in the morning excitedly? Do these activities to give yourself proper self-care and love to prosper new ideas. My 5th and final tip is to give yourself time. Great new ideas do not happen overnight and require deeper thinking and reflection. If nothing is working or is a great piece of writing to you, simply give it time. What you write may become more relevant and give you ideas later on when you are feeling more creative. Everyone has these moments, and it's important to remember to not give up while writing anything. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope one of my tips helps you out with your writer's block. Comment below on which tip helped you out, or another tip that may help others. Thank you, and good luck writing.